special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Lake, Wisconsin, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:45 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles east of Port Washington, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.